Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming by the channel, make sure to subscribe. Today we're going to do a craft project of, I picked up some plates and this vase from the Dollar Tree, and we are going to kind of make like a candle stand or like something that you could put cupcakes on or something fun like that. I got a lot of my inspiration from Pinterest for this craft, so if you want to see what those look like or what I use for my inspiration, you can check out my Pinterest account. If you'd like to check out my Pinterest account, I'll leave a link in the description below. So I picked up some rope from Walmart because I couldn't find any at the Dollar Tree, but I have seen Dollar Tree selling similar rope like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rope and I'm going to wrap it around this vase to give it a different farmhouse look to it.
Yesterday I told you I think that we made a mistake, 'cause you and I, we lost our sight. It's all about give and take. I don't wanna see when you're at parties with all.
So now that our vase is all wrapped, we are going to go ahead and finish up the rest of the project with these two plates. So like I said, I got these two plates at the Dollar Tree. We're going to take the bottom part and we're going to glue it right in the middle using the E6000.
And if we did it right, it got me spinning round, round. It got me spinning round, round. It got me spinning round.
Now we're going to let the glue dry and then we can put all of our cutesy decoration on it. So now that the glue is dried, I went ahead and decorated it. I just used some things that I had in my craft closet that I buy at the store and then I have nothing to do with it. I even used the heart felts that we used in the last video. And we're gonna place this in the house, and I think I have a really good spot, but we'll see what it looks like.
You know I really got along with him and your family, your ex.
If you enjoyed this fun project and you want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Also, you can check out to see where I get my inspiration and maybe a peek into my daily life by looking at my Instagram and my Pinterest account. I'll put those links in the description below. Hope you enjoyed. Bye! You can check out my Pinterest. I'll leave a link of it in my say it again? If you want to check out my Pinterest, I'll leave a link of the description in it below. So neat. You can check out my Pinterest. I had it. Don't touch hot glue. It's hot. Burn my finger. Well, like semi-burn. What? What am I saying?
If you would like to check out my Pinterest, I'll leave a link in the description below.
Okay.